Okay guys, how's it going? Alfie back again. Today we are going to be doing a pack opening on the pack market, thepackmarket.com. Okay, this is actually a really good site to open FIFA packs. So you can transfer them onto your account so you can buy them, or you can just open them for free. I'm going to be opening every single one, and I hope you enjoy, but I'm going to do it twice. Okay, inform pack is going to be Soriano, Davis, Torres, Heno, Perisic and Uribe. So that's good pack. Okay, next pack is going to be the BPL pack, and our BPL pack is Jedinak, Distan, Olsen, Adrian, Jacob and Firmino, O'Shea, Lloris, Cahill, Shaqiri, Walcott, Valencia, Man United are short-sided, they haven't scored a goal in history. Man United are short-sided, they haven't scored a goal in history. Okay, 25k pack. Oops, I accidentally clicked buy. Demo. Okay, next pack. We get Abraham, Dimitri Payet, Vandeliri, Lopez, Gennaro and Pinto. That's 3 packs down, quite a bit to go. Okay, I've done that in form. 100k pack, this is 100,000 coins. And do we make profit back? We do not make profit back, because I'm on the Xbox. Mandzukic, Valencia, another Man United, short-sided, they haven't scored a goal in history player. Mertens, Manolas, Gomez, Schneider, Inform de Savy, Cesar Mkhitaryan, Santi Cazorla, Santi Cazorla, Diet Coke, Cavani, David Luiz, Nasri, Schweinsteiger, Podolski, Golan, Falcao, Imbula, Varane and Uche. So, okay, the next pack of the day is going to be a 50k pack. And do we make profit back? I do not know. Do we get profit back? We do not, because I'm on the Xbox. If you're on the PlayStation, then you got profit back. But I'm on the Xbox, so I didn't get profit back. Freya, Van Goini, Terry, Dede, Stotch, Marquisio, Kabul, Company, that's a good one. Ben Arthur, Krychowiak, no, I don't know. Inform Font and Paul Pogba. Jokes, a rubbish Pogba. Next pack, hero pack. Okay, so this is a hero pack. What hero will we get? We get, I don't know, but Fernandinho, Ashley Cole, Inform Butland, that's a good keeper. Mustafi, Inform Font, Hummels, Pastore, Johnson, and the hero card is actually Kamara. Palacio, whoever. Okay, next pack. Man United are short-sided, haven't got a goal in history. Okay boys, this is the Team of the Year pack. $145 each on the consoles. So what Team of the Year do we get? Okay. Got Jack Butland in form. Cambias. Modric. Oh my god. What a pull. Oh my gosh. Oh, I got one. Yes. Modric, Eremenko, Alex Vanaken, Inform to save again, Naldo, Braithwaite, Gabbiandini, Buffon and Brady. So if you like this video, please leave a like. If you're new, subscribe. Comment down below if you like this pack opening on the packmarket.com. I will be doing some more pack openings, and I will see you later. Goodbye.